Hi Joe.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, hi guys. My name is Gathoni and I'm happy. I thank God for the gift of life. I thank God for all that He has given unto us. It's a blessing and we are grateful. So today we are going to bake a cake with this fellow chef of mine. His name is Joe and he said he wanted a chocolate cake and we are doing it together. So let's do this. Yes guys, so Joe, ready? Yeah, take your apron. I have my apron here. Here, this one is his apron for today and this one is mine for today. So we do it? We do it, mister?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just put my camera here. Wewe ni baba. So, me doing my apron. Come here. Okay, let me help you. Oops. So I have to adjust here because you're still like a small boy. Okay. Watu wa Manchester United.
Hello, Madrid.
Oh, nasi umevaa t-shirt ya Manchester. Manu. So guys, we are ready. So today I'm going to use this one. Though this one is not for cooking, it's for washing, but I'll have to use it for today because the other one is yet to be done. So we have eggs, our ingredients, we have baking powder. This one is our baking powder, and of course this one. We have cinnamon. I have vanilla essence, and we are going to use some milk. Yes, it's the milk, and because he said he wanted to do he wanted that chocolate cake, so I had to buy this one. Wazazi mnanielewa? Yes, if you're a parent, I know you're understanding me. So these are the ingredients. Then we have sugar and salt. Okay, so this is the flour that I'm going to use, guys. I've never used it before, so let me see how it goes. Yeah, let me see how it goes. So welcome once again to my channel, and let's do this. So come Joe. Okay, we'll start by sieving the flour. Yeah, we mix the dry. You want to sieve it? You want to do it?
Yes.
Okay, come here. Yes, now. Yes, you have to sieve it slowly. Yes. So yes, we are sieving it slowly, Baba, so that it just moves here. It's okay. Okay. It's jumping. What you do it like this one. You do it like this. Yeah, you get it.
Like this, right?
No, not that much hard. Yes, like that one. So we are saving the wheat flour. Yes, that one. So now you get it?
Yes.
Okay, do it. Yes. Come here. Move here. Like we're doing it like this. Let me show you. You see the way I'm doing it fast? But it's not a must to do that fast, but you just make sure it doesn't pass if it's not sealed, okay? Yes, just do it like that. You see? It helps in removing the particles, softening the flour. You see? Now do it. Oops, slowly. Baba, no, you have to balance yes, you have to balance yes, like that.
Stop.
I'm done with the baking powder. Now I'm going to put cinnamon. I'm mixing all dry ingredients together, and then all the liquid. You see the liquid ingredients. So
it smells good.
Yeah, it smells so good. Yeah, it's called cinnamon. So I'm mixing all the dry ingredients together. Call it cinnamon. That's why it smells so good.
This one spoon.
Yeah, so come do it. Mix it. Come closer here.
Then
Come here.
spoon of different.
No, you can use this one, no problem. Yeah, you can use that one. So I'm done with this one. Let me put them away for the space. I need some space here. So done. So sugar. Oh, that was bad. So as sugar, I don't like too much sugar, but because it's a cake, you have to like put
More.
a bit more sugar. Let me just add kidogo. Okay, for me, I'm used, so I don't really measure. I'm able to measure with eyes, and so that is sugar. I'm done with sugar. Let me help you. You still do the mixing. I'm mixing the dry ingredients together. Yes, make sure. Come here because we want to see you doing it. Come here on camera. Hiya. Now I'm also going to mix this on here.
Yay!
Because it's part of our dry oat
All.
ingredients. I'm going to put it all. This one is a small one, so
Just give me this one, the paper. I just do like this.
okay. Come. Continue. No, don't do it. Come here. Continue mixing. Yeah, it's okay. So make sure it is hot. It is well mixed. Okay. Don't mess yourself up. Okay. This is egg.
Please, mom.
What? Oh, you want to do it?
Yes.
Okay.
How?
Slowly.
Just do the spoon.
Good boy. And then, oops, that one was wrongly done, but it's okay. No problem. You've tried. Okay. You've really tried. Yeah, just mix it slowly.
Mom, see how it looks.
Yes, make sure it is well mixed. And then I want you to add a vanilla essence there. We are mixing all the liquid. Yeah, we're adding this one.
Yeah.
Oops, damn. Oh, who broke it?
How?
Here. Somebody broke it, and I suspect it's you. Is it you?
No.
It's not you.
Yes.
You continue mixing it together. Together. And then
See.
Daddy. Neka.
Nini?
So we've mixed milk and eggs and the essence, all the liquids that we have. Now we want to mix it to our dry, what do we call it? Our dry. Now is when you use the whisker.
Yeah. Let me do. Spoon. Mom, spoon.
Pole. Shikara this one. Let me put some cooking oil.
It's stuck. Mom, stuck. It's stuck.
What's stuck?
This one's. See, Mom. See, Mom, it's stuck.
It's stuck.
Yes.
Okay, for me, measurements is I don't really measure the ingredients. So
I mix it.
yeah, you do it. Let me help you kidogo, and then we continue.
It looks like porridge.
Looks like porridge.
Yes.
That's not porridge. Yes.
Yes.
So we are doing the mixing. Okay, you already have the mixer, but at times we have to start by doing it this way, and then we.
Yes.
Kidogo, babes. Kidogo. I want to help you, and then when it is a bit soft, I'll leave it to you. Okay. Let me make sure it is. So here is our.
Taste it. Yes. Taste it. It's very good.
Yeah, very good. So this is how we do it, guys. Gotcha. So we are now mixing the mixture of the dry ingredients and the liquid ingredients. Now we mix them together. So that is what Joy is doing here. Come closer. We are done with this one. I have to put it here to clear the space.
Hard.
This is me. It is so hard.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes. Mom, I'm done. I'm done.
No, not yet. Oh, you still have a long way to go, Jana. It must be very smooth. Okay?
Yes.
Smooth.
Smooth now.
Very smooth.
Cream, Mom. Cream.
Cream.
Yes, we put cream.
Okay.
Mom, smooth.
Yeah, it must be very
Yes.
smooth.
Yes.
No. Continue. I will tell you when to stop.
Okay. Now it's smooth.
No, it's smooth.
Smoother.
Yeah, it must be smoothest.
Smoother. Smoothest.
Yes. It must be very smoothest. Are we together?
Yeah. So that is smooth.
Not yet. Continue. Continue. Please just continue. Ay, Baba, the camera is shaking. So guys, you're almost done. I'm going to apply some oil here to make it. So you have to apply some oil, Daddy, to ensure, come here closer, it doesn't stick while baking on the oven. Okay, so this is what we usually do to make it non-sticky. Okay, so you're going to do this. So I've applied some oil here, some flour there. Okay, so I'm also going to apply some flour kidogo tu peke yake. Hiyo ni mingi sana.
Put your gun.
It's okay, babe. It's okay. So I'm also going to apply this one here like this, so that it's like this one. Now this is how my baking pan is going to look like. Okay, now this is how it's supposed to look like. Come, we now put it here.
This one.
Yeah, like this one. This is how a mixture look like. Now you're going to put our, we're going to preheat our, okay, we didn't preheat our oven, Baba, we forgot. We forgot to do the preheating. Yeah, just put it on. Do you have water in your hands?
No.
Okay, good. Use it. No, we are done with this one. No, when are you taking this one? Huh? Put it on.
This one.
No, don't remove it.
Which one?
Just switch it on.
This one.
Yeah. Wachana na oven that nini. So this is how it looks like. And now wachana nayo jo. So let me now bake it. So this is our,
Yeah.
so this is what is going to go into an oven for baking. Yes. Guys, butter low. So guys, we are putting it in an oven. Let me just put it. Baba, it's very hot. Let me help you. I'll have to first remove that one and put it there. So I've already preheated. I've already done the preheating part. So what I'm doing is yeah, that one is okay. So that's it. Ready now. Now let me set it to, it's okay now. I can now set it to 40 minutes. So it's now ready. You can see from inside. So that's it. So I'm going to wait for like 30 to 40 minutes, and then I'll show you the end result. Yes, where my fellow chef? Where are you? Yes, you must ensure the cake is what? You must ensure the cake is
Hot.
well done. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll show them the end product. You know?
Yes.
Yeah, tell them that. You're shy. Okay, guys, this is the end product of our cake. We are done. Yes, we already did the cutting here. Some people had already yeah, we forgot to take our, you almost forgot to take our final product. So baridi, it's very cold here, guys. So we are done. There is our cake, guys. This is our cake. Some people already started eating it. We almost forgot to take a video of it. So it was successful. It was okay. The cake is very sweet. Yeah, it is a chocolate cake. Nice. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Give me a like, give me a comment.
Giving a subscribe.
Let's do this. Thank you, guys. Well, I'm Pishi. I'm doing to bye.
Bye.